This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 35 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, in which you are guided through learning the sequence of major and minor scales referred to here as the E-flat D-sharp sequence. The worksheet for this lesson contains instructions and exercises to help you with what can be a confusing sequence, and it is important to follow all the instructions meticulously. This video will not cover all that is required by itself. By now you should be very familiar with the scale and arpeggio of E-flat major. Here they are. In the usual way, the arpeggio of E-flat major is converted to a minor arpeggio by lowering the third. We can call this key E-flat minor, with 6 flats in its key signature, the relative minor of G-flat major. Indeed, in exam situations, E-flat minor is often specified in preference to D-sharp minor. It is presented as D-sharp minor here, as you have already learnt its relative major as F-sharp major. But you don't really know a scale until you have moved on from thinking about key signatures and the names of notes. In the scales of D-sharp minor, F-sharp is preceded by E-sharp, so you should use the alternative fingering for this note. In the arpeggio of D-sharp minor, you can use the same fingering for A-sharp as you did in the arpeggio of F-sharp major. Again, the finger can remain held down throughout the arpeggio. Exercise 74 is for D-sharp harmonic minor, and exercise 75 is for D-sharp melodic minor. Here is the E-flat D-sharp sequence. You may well feel this has been a particularly demanding lesson. Be prepared to repeat the practice plan for a second week, or spend a week alternating days 5 and 6 before moving on to lesson 36.